Sing of Andrew, John's disciple, led by faith through ways untrod, till the Baptist cried at Jordan, "There behold the Lamb of God." Stirred by hearing this new teacher, Andrew, freed from doubt and fear, ran to tell his brother Simon, "God's anointed one is here." Sing of Andrew, called by Jesus from the shores of Galilee, leaving boats and nets and kindred, trusting in that follow me. When a boy's small meal fed thousands, when inquiring Greeks found care, when the Spirit came in blessing, Andrew faithfully was there. Sing of Andrew, bold apostle, sent to make the gospel known, faithful to his Lord's example, called to make a cross his own. So may we who prize his memory honor Christ in our own day, bearing witness to our neighbors, living what we sing and pray.